Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change an equation that's in standard form to point-slope form. So right here, we have our equation, we have our standard form equation. And now let's compare it to the equation for standard form. Well, if we compare, we have A over here and we have 2 over here. So we know that A equals 2, and if we compare B and 3 here, we know that B equals 3. And as you can see, C and 5 are the same, so we have C equals 5. And now we have our values for A, B, and C, so now it's fairly easy to convert this into point-slope form. So now what we're first going to do is find our x and y intercepts. Well, our x-intercept, this is equal to C over A. Well, what is C? C, as we already stated, is 5, and A is 2. So our x-intercept here, our point for our x-intercept is 5 over 2, comma, 0. Now let's find our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is C over B. Now, as we already stated, C is 5, and B, as we solved for before, is 3. So our point for our y-intercept, this is 0, comma, 5 thirds. And now what we're going to do is we're going to find our slope, M here. And this is equal to, well, remember, we already have 2 points, so we're just going to use our slope formula to find our slope. And what is that? That's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 in this case is 5 thirds, that's our second y, minus y1 is 0 over x2, that's 0, minus x1, which is 5 half. And let's simplify this a bit. 5 thirds minus 0, that's 5 thirds, over 0 minus 5 over 2, that's negative 5 over 2. And this can also be written as, well, let's divide these two fractions, and this is negative 10 over 15. And what's a common factor of these two? 5. So let's divide both of these by 5. Negative 10 divided by 5, that's 2. And 15 divided by 5, that's 3. So our answer here is negative 2 thirds. All right, so now that we have our slope and 2 points, it's really easy to convert our equation into point-slope form. So the equation for a point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, we have to use one of these 2 points. We don't have to use both of them. We could just choose one. And I'm going to choose our first point here, 5 over 2, comma, 0. So what's our y of this point? 0. So this is y minus 0. 0 is y1 equals m is negative 2 thirds times x minus x1. What's our x? 5 over 2. So 5 over 2. And this is our equation. Well, I could just rewrite this as y minus 0 is y. So this is y equals negative 2 thirds times x minus 5 over 2. So this is our equation.